Ulaw-ulaw pa ba na si Ashley? Hello guys! Maayong hapon! Nag-vlog ako dahil nakaligo na tayo. Sa buong araw, ngayon pa lang ako nakaligo. Mabuti at may toilet. May maraming tubig. At merong shampoo at conditioner. So yan, feeling fresh ang lola ninyo. At dahil ngayon ay January 4, ihatid namin si Kuya Kahil sa... Where are we going to send you? No, we're not going to send you yet.
We're going to
have a date.
Have a date.
Yes.
And Ashley's coming too.
Yes. Sunduin namin si Ate Ash. Ayan si Madam Ten Gibbs, ang nanay ni Ate Ash. Diyan lang siya sa likod kasi ako man yung nagpagasolina, so wala siyang space sa harap. Sabi ko sa kanya, sa harap siya mag-upo pag siya yung magbayad ng gasolina. Pag hindi, pera ka sa likod. So ngayon, sunduin namin si Ate Ash from her school para makapag-date kami together with Kahil kasi bukas na yung flight ni Kuya Kahil going back to study in Thailand and soccer training. Ayun. At dahil bawi-bawi din tayo guys dahil 3 araw na ako hindi nakauwi sa bahay. At dapat nga ngayon may dinner kami as family pero hindi natuloy kasi si Chico ay hindi pa rin na-discharge. Baka, inshallah baka bukas ulit. So tara samahan nyo kami ngayong araw. Let's go! Ashley in the house.
Hello, I am back, and my school was so tiring, but at the same time, I ate McDonald's.
Again.
Since you're my young cousin,
Go. You ask Kahil again. Question.
do you
Nico's
want
Brew.
Nico's Brew, or Jollibee?
Nico's Brew.
Thank you so much.
It's because you're young, okay? Young.
You're going to love it. The chips are awesome.
And spicy one.
And
Spicy?
Yes.
Not spicy. You can choose
And then
one.
there's also chocolate milkshake.
You
It's
like
so
spicy,
good.
right? I don't like chocolate.
Chocolate Oreo.
Oreo.
Oreo cookies cream.
What did you drink pala, Ash, when you go there?
But the Miss said that you didn't check the GC, the adult GC. That she told the parents that.
Question. What do you do when someone bullies you?
I called my ultimate weapon the tank.
Who's the tank?
AKA Daddy.
But what if Daddy is not there? How do you handle when someone bullies you? Let's say they say three. There's 3 of them, and then one of them remove their shoe and throw it at you, and they think it's funny. What are you gonna do?
Then I call.
Yeah.
I call.
Ashley said throw it back.
No.
Yes.
Yes, or throw it in the bin.
Throw it in the bin.
I call my ultimate weapon the lion, AKA Mommy.
Mommy, me, I'm going to do something. They will not
AKA
forget.
Tiger Me.
Hey, my mom.
Yeah.
Oh, what about my dad? He's a Scorpio.
Yeah, you know me.
And
when
Ashley,
I'm
when someone bullies you, let's say there's 2 of them, and then one hit you in the head like that, like this, and like that.
Then give them a kaji.
Then I will hit them as well.
Give them a kaji.
You look cursed, Kaya.
Iba-iba mag-handle ang mga bata na mamubuli.
She taught me hi, baba di mo.
Baba ni mo. Bisaya man na. Ashley, can you teach him Tagalog? What Tagalog do you know?
Salamat po.
Ash, what Tagalog do you know, Ash? Opo and po. What else?
Hilom? Kajan?
Hello ka dyan. Bisaya.
That's Bisaya, anak. Hilom ka dyan means keep
I just
quiet.
randomly say them. Mostly I'm a Bisaya then.
Ay,
Is that how
that's
butchers
good.
look? They have a huge back.
Which one?
Vultures.
Vultures.
They have a back like the elephant.
Yeah.
What do you want to do when you come back from summer?
Go swimming. That's number 1.
Enjoy
Number
ka isa
2,
dito sa ano,
enjoy
dagat.
eating with my family.
And me.
What did you do when you went to the beach just recently? You went up the tree and jumped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You missed. I went on the tree and did some awesome stunts.
In the morning.
Can you do that again?
Yeah,
if we
they
go
went
back to
up.
the beach.
Then there was a boat. They parked the boat there, so they went up the boat and jumped.
I slept in the back of the car. You didn't see me. I slept in the back of the car.
Which car?
The Tita Gigits when we went home. When I went to Tita Gigits.
Really?
Yeah, I slept. Then the bump woke me up and screamed with me.
Wow, did I?
We both screamed. I screamed like a girl.
If you were lying, I swear I would never scream. I told you that's wrong.
Yeah.
No, she did not scream, I think.
She screamed. She screamed. She screamed with me. We were both together and then
What made her scream?
The one that was touching her hand like this weirdly, and then also me touching the bayag with that.
Oh, that's
like a girl, like.
Oh, that's worse.
A few moments later.
Show me your shoes at the Ashbe. Wow.
They look like socks to me.
You pull your pants. Pull your pants.
Why
Wow.
do they look like socks?
Ukayan. Ate Ukayan.
It's painted.
It's Payless. And Kyle also. Kyle is also wearing from Payless. I like your shorts. It's for big boys. They call it cargo shorts. Oh, that's the shirt I bought for you in Uganda.
Margo, I still have it. Yeah.
All right, let's go
Look,
to.
I'm a bad person actually.
Alright guys, tapos na sila magmerienda ni Ate Ashley. Ngayon dadalhin namin sila sa arcade. Kasi yun yung mga gusto ng mga bata eh. To make memories together. At para maging mas close sila ni Ate Ash. Dahil sila naman yung magkaedad. Sa magpipinsan, sila talaga ni Ate Ash yung magkaedad. So ngayon, arcade mode tayo. At ako'y manonood. Sabi ko nga sa anak ko, para hindi tayo lugi, subukan mo namang manalo kahit yung maliit lang na keychain. Ang pangit na nung bumili ka ng coins pang laro 200 tapos paglabas mo ang dala mo lang pawis. So let's go up. Dito tayo sa arcade nila. Bibili din akong french fries guys. Para hindi masyadong mabigat french fries na lang.
Eternity later.
Ah! Oh. Okay, Kyle, carry properly, anak.
Are you sure that
Ate, stop laughing also. Ano? Hello, guys. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Ni. Walang samod si Chi. Alright, guys. Nakabalik na ako dito sa hospital. Pinauwi ko muna si Kuya Kahil. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, ngayong gabi na lang ako pupunta sa bahay. Papatulogin ko muna si Chico. So far hindi pa siya inaantok. Pero sabi ko kay auntie, puntahan niya na ako dito sa hospital para makapagpaswap na kami. Kasi kung late na akong umuwi, baka tulog na din si Kahil. Hindi na natin maabutan. Gusto ko mag-spend time sa kanya tonight. Para bukas pagkahatid sa airport, at least nabigyan ko na siya ng aking hug at makatikim naman tayo ng paglalambing ni Kuya Kahil. Kasi mga 4 or 5 months pa natin siya. Ayan, enough ko na nga pala yung ilaw guys para makatulog na si Chico. Pero parang wala pa siyang balak. Oh, you see? You see? Nagtampo nga si Kuya Kahil kaso kailangan mo kasi ipaintindi sa kanya. Alam niyo yan yung medyo challenge ko kay Kuya Kahil kasi may mga moments siya na nagtatampo. Kailangan kong i-explain sa kanya ng maayos na
i-remind sa kanya na hindi na siya nag-iisa. May mga kapatid na siyang maliliit na nangangailangan ng atensyon. Lalong-lalo na ngayon na si Chico ay not feeling well. Pero I'm sure maintindihan din niya ni Kuya. Pero anyway, okay na. Nailabas ko sila ni Ate Ashley kanina at nakapaglaro sila ng konti. At least, nalaban siya. And then, balik na siya ng kanyang pag-aaral. Busy kasi yung schedule ni Kuya Kahyo sa Thailand, guys. Other than studying, nag-training din siya ng soccer.
Uy, may natanggap tayong regalo. Maraming salamat kay Ma'am Nanette. Para kay Chico at Kulot. Maraming salamat po. Tingnan natin to. Wow! Wee! Age 5. Calby, come. Oh no, this is going to be for Chico. Is it? Come, dali. Dali.
Chico! For
Calby. Okay guys, nasa bahay na ako. Iniwan ko muna si Auntie doon. Magbantay kay Chico at si Chico ay nakatulog na. Ito ang kakainin ko ngayong gabi. Dahil parang sasabong na yung aking sikmo. Yung aking tiyan sa laki guys. Kita nyo naman. So diet na tayo guys. Hindi kaya tayo magkulay berde nitong ating kinakain. So may okra ako dito, pako. Yung mga nagsabi pala sa akin na pako is the best for breastfeeding. Bantay lang kayo guys ha. Baka mamaya yung gatas natin kulay green. Yahoo! Alright. Kain na ako ng dinner. Sabi ko diet ako pero nakita ko na naman yung hopya sibuyas. Nagluto si Mama ng mani, oh. The best yung mani ni Mama niluto, oh. Pangbaon ni Kahil sa airplane. So, kakain lang ako para makapag-movie time kami ng mga bata. Let's go!